In this tutorial, we'll look at how to use two features of the Calculated Fields form plugin to prevent overlaps between the dates shown as available on Booking.com and the dates users can select through the booking form on your website. Booking.com is a global reservation platform that makes it easy to manage your accommodation. One of its key features is the ability to sync your calendar in both directions with other portals, helping you avoid conflicts and keep your availability up to date. The first step is to export your Booking.com calendar and obtain its sync URL. With that URL, we'll add a RecordSet DS field to the form, choose ICS as the data source, and paste the calendar link from Booking.com. Next, we'll use that record set as the data source for the date field, specifying that the values in the date range property represent already booked dates. This ensures users cannot select days that are unavailable. You should apply the settings to both fields, check-in and check-out date fields. As you can see, any dates already booked are automatically disabled in the date pickers, ensuring users can only select days that are truly available. After that, we'll configure the reverse sync, so reservations made through your website also appear as occupied in Booking.com. To do this, we'll activate the iCal add-on, which adds a new section to the form settings. There, we'll select the fields that will define each calendar event. Finally, we'll copy the URL generated by the form and add it to the calendar synchronization section in Booking.com. With this final step, both calendars will stay synchronized, helping you avoid booking conflicts.